Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Erin. I am a longtime NCT fan, so I'm really excited for this new NCT U song, especially because it's a really weird combo of people. Like, I would have never thought Yangyang, Tail, and Kun would do a song together. And I just got into Wavy, so I've been learning a little bit more about Kun and Yangyang, and so I'm really excited to see this new song. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into Rain Day. 3, 2, 1, let go. Ooh. Oh, it's like a lo-fi beats vibe. The puppy! Oh my god, what in the K-drama? Such a mellow vibe. With the electric guitar. What can Kun not do? Let's be honest. Oh, this is so peaceful. Ooh. Love his voice. I'm wondering what Yangyang's gonna add to this. The doggy! It's so cute. Oh, this looks so relaxing. Just playing badminton. What just came out of this man's mouth? I've never heard that deep voice from Yangyang. What is going on? Ah! Okay, I need to hear that again. What in the world? Followed by... God, why does he have a fidget spinner? I love this version of Yangyang. Ooh, yes. Who are the girls? Are they part of SM? This is so cheesy, I love it. Hello. Oh, beautiful. This is so cute. Like, I just want them all to be best friends in real life. I love the snapping. Oh. Hello, Yangyang. Something about him in this video, y'all. How's that fire burning in the rain? Oh my gosh, what are y'all doing? You know what you're doing. This is just every single K-drama trope in one video. And I love it. I love that Tail's standing under the umbrella with him. Oh. I love this. It's so chill. Oh, it's their birthday? I love that Yangyang's wearing a Ramones t-shirt. Definitely had a Ramones phase. Wow, that was so pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like that needs to be like during a cheesy montage in a K-drama. I mean, that's exactly how this felt, this whole video. I really love the way their voices played off of each other. Like, I would have never thought that Yangyang would be in a song with Kun and Tail and complement them so perfectly. Like, his deep, rich voice. And I love that he got to sing a little bit more in this. Like, it's so nice hearing his singing voice. Like, that's something that I'm not used to yet. So that was a really fun surprise. I thought he was going to do some, like, rap in this, but I just love that it was very mellow and very, like, lo-fi beats type of vibe. Yeah, that's something we haven't seen from them yet, so I'm glad that they did something new. And I can't wait to see what else NCT U comes out with. This was a good little trio. Like, I would have never thought that they would put these three together. So I'm glad it ended up turning out in such a beautiful way. Yeah, who else do you guys want to see next? I would love to see more Xiaojun in one of these. I think they need to utilize his voice more. And I also want to see a little bit more of Shotaro and Seungchan, like what they sound like, because we really don't know much about them. So I'm hoping that they're on the next NCT U track, because we need more of them. Let's just be honest. Yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this song, and that's going to be it for this reaction. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!